Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary steps to diagnose and fix common issues. Let's dive in. First, gather the tools you will need for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a small brush, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you disassemble the vacuum and clean the internal components effectively. Begin by removing the dustbin. Press the release button and pull it away from the main body. This step will expose the filter compartment, which should be cleaned regularly. If your vacuum has lost suction, a dirty filter could be the culprit. Wash it under cold water and allow it to dry for 24 hours before reinserting it. Next, we will take a look at the brush bar. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the brush bar cover. Gently lift it off and inspect the brush for hair or debris. This buildup can hinder performance. If you find significant debris, use the small brush to clean it out. Now, let's focus on the motor housing. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry open the casing. Make sure to keep track of all screws, as they are crucial for reassembly. Inside, check for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, it may be time to consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. If you don't have the tools or prefer to have experts handle the repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service is convenient, ensuring you won't have to make any calls or travel, saving you time and hassle. Once you've inspected the internal components, it's essential to clean the area thoroughly. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe down any surfaces, removing dust and debris that could affect the vacuum's performance. Reassemble your vacuum by reversing the steps. Start with the motor housing, making sure all screws are tightened securely. Next, replace the brush bar cover and ensure it's locked in place. Finally, reattach the dustbin. Before you power on the vacuum, check that everything is reassembled correctly. If you notice any parts are not fitting as they should, double-check your work. If everything looks good, turn on the vacuum and test its suction. If your Dyson V8 still isn't performing as expected, we offer a quote before repair services to assess any further issues. Contact us for support to ensure your vacuum is working like new again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.